In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Zendesk reports. First things first, if you're looking to share valuable insights with your team or clients directly from Zendesk, you're in the right place. Sharing reports is a fantastic way to keep everyone up to date with the latest metrics and performance indicators that matter the most to your business or project. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Zendesk website. Once there, it's all about getting you logged in. Click on the sign in button and you'll likely need to click sign in again as Zendesk guides you through the process. Now it's time to enter your email address and password. Don't rush, double check your credentials to avoid any login hiccups. Once you're ready, hit enter or click the sign in button to access your Zendesk dashboard. Next, we'll dive into the heart of Zendesk, the products section. Look for the option named Zendesk Products and click on it, then find Explore and click on that too. Explore is Zendesk's powerful reporting tool, and it's where all the magic happens. Once in Explore, you're going to look for the Reports section. Click on Reports to view all the reports available to you. Now find the specific report you wish to share. Reports in Zendesk are versatile and can offer a myriad of insights, so make sure you select the one that best suits the data you wish to share. After selecting your report, look for a dashboard button on the right side of the screen and click on it. This action is crucial as it takes you to the dashboard hosting your report, allowing for an easier sharing process. Within the dashboard view, it's time to actually share your report. Locate and click on the Share button. This opens up options regarding whom you wish to share the report with. Take a moment to decide who needs access to this information. Zendesk allows you to select specific individuals or groups, ensuring that the right people get the information they need. After you've selected the recipients, the final step is to click on Update. This action saves your sharing settings and ensures that the selected individuals or groups now have access to the report. And just like that, you've successfully shared a Zendesk report. This process not only helps in keeping everyone informed, but also fosters a culture of transparency and collaboration within teams and with clients. Remember, sharing reports is all about empowering your team or clients with knowledge. Make sure to revisit your sharing settings periodically to ensure that all relevant parties have access to the latest data. Thank you for joining me in learning how to share reports in Zendesk. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials on making the most of your Zendesk platform.